Hello guys, so I'll be teaching you how to make a clock with a web using HTML, JavaScript and CSS. So you just have, let me just show you my community here if you want to join in case, because I'll be posting everything here for easy access. So you look at my China here now, you can just join. I see it, I created it today, so you just go back here and this is my group. So let's get started. So today you just have to go to your Chrome. I already done mine already. I already code everything. So you just have to go to your file manager. I'll be dropping the source code on the video below. On the video below for you to get it if you want it. So this is source code here now. This is source code. I already compressed it. I've uploaded it in case you need it. So this is how everything look like here. Look at this is the HTML file here. I will be opening it. So this is the HTML file. You can look at it. Creating a tab clock, digital tab clock. This is my first day because I'll be teaching a course on how to code with HTML, JavaScript and CSS. So this is CSS here. I see CSS. So this is it here. Just it's easy, it's not that hard. You can just code it if you want it to, or you just go look at. I've already done everything. You can just download the source code on the video description below. So I seen it here. That's all. That's how all you have. You can go to my blog here, amav.me. Just go to my blog here. I've posted it already, so you can just get access to it. Look at it here, and the password of the source code will be in the video screen, so you just have to watch it. The password of this file is on this video, so it's not that hard. Look, this is it here. You can just go now. Look at it. Download source code. Just press download and you download it. You upload it to your cPanel or your local host. Just upload it to your cPanel or local host, then you see how it looks like. So I'll be dropping a new video maybe tomorrow or next. So thank you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. It's Marvel again.